Good afternoon guys. Today magluluto tayo ng pansit palabok in my own version. Ito yung gagamitin natin for our noodles. Super Q special palabok. Ito ay 1 kilo guys, pero hindi ko ito lulutuin lahat. I think 3/4 lang yung gagamitin ko kasi konti lang kami kumakain. So, this is our noodles. We have cabbage. I sliced thinly like that. We have our spring onions, guys. Leaves spring onions. This one. We have our red onions, red bell pepper, spring onion again. We have 1 tablespoon of achuete powdered. Minced garlic. This one guys, this is the lobsters crackers. I flex. So this one also is the chicharron. We have our salt. Gumagamit tayo guys ng patis or fish sauce. We also have ground pepper. For our 1/4 kilo ni siya guys. Yung shell ng shrimp natin, hindi ko ito itatapon kasi pakuluan ko ito, gawin ko itong shrimp broth. Itong shrimp natin guys, oh. Ready na ito. So, simulan na natin ngayon ang pagpapakulo ng ating saucepan. Oh, like 10 seconds lang. Para ano siya guys, hindi siya masyadong. At ilagay natin dito sa ating plate na may so ito na guys, nilagyan ko ng ice cube para magiging fresh yung ano natin guys, shrimp. Ito yung technique guys. Palabok. 1, 2, 3. So, yung 3 lang guys. Iiwan ko ito guys kasi madami na. Konti lang kaming kumain. Flavor the sky. So ito, okay na ito guys. Itong wok natin guys. Lagyan natin ito ng olive oil. Ito yung ginagamit ko guys, pang saute. Maglalagay tayo ng olive oil to saute our spices and also our pork. Huwag natin hintayin guys na sobrang mainit na yung ating oil para bago ilagay yung garlic natin para hindi masunog. May tendency kasi masusunog yung garlic natin. So, i-saute lang natin ito for about few minutes. Pag golden brown na siya guys, ilagay na natin yung, we will add up the red onions. Red onions. Yung sibuyas bombay. Ang sarap-sarap nito. Pag mag-translucent na tong ano guys, ating sibuyas bombay o red onions, we are going to add our meat. pork meat. Yung meat natin guys, nilagyan ko ng konting half of calamansi para maiiwasan yung sting sometimes ng pork. Halo-haloin lang. At saka takpan natin guys. Hintayin natin kumukulo-kulo itong ating nilulutong karne. Stir natin later guys. I think malapit na siya. Halo-halo lang para maluto yung karne. Gusto ko maluto yung karne guys bago ko ilagay yung ating mga iba pang sangkap. So, ilagay natin yung head ng ating spring onion, guys. Little bit of bell pepper. And then, ilagay na natin yung ating shrimp. Both shrimp. Flavor na yan guys. 100% sure. Tapos ilagay natin yung ating annatto powder or achuete powder. Papakuluan lang natin guys bago natin ilagay yung lagyan natin ng tubig, mainit na tubig. Tapos natin guys, nilagyan ko lang ng kunting mainit na tubig. Tapos lagyan natin ng I think 2 tablespoon or maglagay tayo ng 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. This is the fish sauce. Tikman natin. Lagyan natin ng pepper. Much kampante ko dito guys yung ano lang nilagyan ko ng konting chicharon guys at saka next I will add cornstarch. Ito na yung texture niya guys sa itong sauce guys. Look at guys, meaty. Next maglalagay tayo guys na 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Wow. Sarap. Cabbage guys, this is the cabbage. Ano lang ako, magtira lang ako para pang decoration ng konti. So, mix lang. This time, I'm going to some of the mixture para pang platings natin guys. Magpa-platings tayo. So, maybe that is all enough for the parang spaghetti. Kita nyo guys? Para siyang spaghetti. Hi guys, ito na yung finished product ng ating pansit palabok. I hope you like my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye! Bye-bye!